Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda, Red here. Today is a fabulous day. It's cold and foggy outside and we're going to make something good from Italy, from Calabria. And even special, more special, my daughter Wendy is here visiting. So she is going to help us cook this week and we're going to be putting out a bunch of great videos. This one, we're going to make Linguini Con La Nduja. Now, Nduja is a spicy pork sausage from Calabria. It's called prosciutto spread here, but it's not really. It's just made out of pork and spices, and it's very good. I bought it before, but this was the only brand I could find around here. We also need some authentic Pecorino Romano. I was able to find some delicious tomato sauce from Italy, imported from Italy, so that's what we're going to use. Tomato passata. Why it doesn't say pomodoro passata, I don't know. But we're going to have some garlic, some shallots, definitely need some basil in this, and a little bit of Pinot Grigio, maybe half cup, 3/4 of a cup. And you'll see how simple this recipe is. Absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Alright, so we got the olive oil heated up in the saucepan. We're going to add the shallots. After about 2-3 minutes, we're going to add the garlic. 1 clove sliced, if it'll only come out. Now, while my daughter Wendy is stirring the garlic and the shallots, we're going to add some table ground pepper and a little bit of table salt, along with, we're going to say half, 3/4 cup of this Dark Horse Pinot Grigio. Okay, so after about 3 minutes, we're going to add the 5-ounce chub of Nduja. Now this comes from Calabria. I think I said that before. It's very good. It's a unique flavor. Very nice meat. It's got the consistency of, well, liverwurst, and let me tell you, it's beautiful on bread. Alright, so now we have the 26.5 ounces of pomodoro passata from Italy. Now, you could use any tomato sauce. I just found this at the grocery store in the international aisle. It looked good. Let's try it. Yum. What the heck, let's use that. Now, we are going to add fresh basil to that and be generous with it. And we're going to stir this and cook it down. We got the pasta water boiling, and we're going to concentrate this. Alright, so we got the pasta at, 3 or 4 minutes shy of being cooked. Let's see if I can add it without being a mess. And we do want a lot of the pasta water in here, folks. So let's go ahead and get this done and join me in a sec. Okay, so we got the pasta added in there without ado. Now we're going to add a ladle of pasta water, which is always de rigueur. And now we're going to combine the pasta really well in there, and we're going to continue cooking it. We got this over, let's call it medium-low. And now we're also going to add the Pecorino Romano. Come on, Wendy. Good for you. Keep on. A little bit more. One more. Beautiful. Now, we're going to stir all this in and get it combined really nicely, and it's going to thicken up. So join me then. Alright, and here we go. A plate of steaming goodness. What was it? Fettuccine or linguine? What was it?
Linguini.
Linguini Con La Nduja. Straight from Calabria. Deliciousness on a plate. And I'm going to get a fork here out of the drawer. And we got the Pecorino Romano on there. And the pasta. And let me tell you, I've tried the sauce. Delicious reduction. It was beautiful. Let's go ahead and taste it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Perfectly al dente. Mm. Boy, the cheese is perfection. Folks, that Nduja sausage, Nduja, whatever, Nduya, is really tasty. The overall spiciness toned down as it cooked in with the rest of the sauce. The concentration of the sauce, of the wine, and the shallots and the garlic was beautiful. This is a really good recipe. If you have a chance of getting yourself a chub of Nduya, I recommend you do. It's delicious spread on sourdough bread. It is also delicious in pasta. And once again, Italy is coming through with their food. Calabria especially. Calabria is the boot heel. Rock on with this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. And Grigio, maybe half cup, 3/4 of a cup, and you'll see how simple this recipe is. La pintura se caía de las paredes. Ready for it? Go. All right, so we got the olive oil heated up in the saucepan.
Whee! So 2/3 total or 1/3 total?
1/3 of the container.
So I'm gonna add a 1/6 each time.
Shazam, you nailed it. God, you're good at math.
Yeah, look at me. I know my numbers.
Okay, so we got the pasta added in there without ado. Now you can use your hands. What was it, fettuccine or linguine? That Nduja sausage, Nduya, whatever.